Today I am with DOOGEE S95 Pro and I'll show you a couple camera tricks. So at the first I will start with the best features that you can find in the settings, and after that I will move to this modes that you can find right here. So to enter the settings you have to tap on this icon and then go for the settings. At the first we can change volume key functions. As you can see, currently it's set up as a shutter. So right now when you press volume up or volume down button, you are going to take photo instead of clicking right here on this shutter. You can also change this option to go for the volume or zoom. Let's try the last option. So take a look right now. Maybe I will put this button right here and I'm going to press volume up button to zoom in. And as you can see, it works very smooth. We can zoom to 10 times and we can zoom out by pressing volume down button. And we can also switch to the ultra wide lens. That's the first useful option. We can stay with this option, turn on. The another option that we can find here, we can quickly change the video quality from the medium to high. And basically that's all from this bottom section of the list. When we go right here from the upper section of the list, we can add the logo watermark. So take a look when you enable this option and then just take a normal photo. We will find on the left bottom corner watermark of our device. So as you can see, it was shot with the DOOGEE S95 Pro AI camera. So we can turn it on or turn it off, you can decide. I'm going to remove this option. We can also turn on location tags on the photos. So right now we have to be also sure that location is enabled on your phone. Turn on location, then just take photo. And when you go for the details, you will simply find the exact location where the photo was taken. Unfortunately, it's not popping here. So let me just turn off this application, open the camera one more time. Let's be sure that it's turned on. Yeah, it is. So let's try it right now. Okay, as you can see right now, when you reset the camera, the location appears here and you get the exact location where the photo was taken. Let's go back for the settings. Okay, but I think that's all from the settings. When you tap right here and we are in the photo mode, we can also activate delay to our shutter, so we can go for the 3, 5 or 10 seconds or even 15. So when you select 3 seconds and then tap on the shutter, after the 3 seconds photo will be taken. I'm gonna turn it off. Here we can also use the touch shutter. So when you touch on the screen, you will take photo. You don't have to press right here. So it's very good when you hold your phone like that and you cannot reach this bottom shutter, so you can tap on the screen whenever you want and the photo will be taken. Just like that, as you can see, there it is. Here we can also quickly add the grid lines to the photos, so they help us to take better composition on the photos. So if you want to put something in the middle like this HardReset logo, you can make it definitely easier with this help positional grid lines. And I think that's all from this mode. From this list. When you tap on the screen, you can quickly increase or decrease brightness level by using this sun icon. Of course, you can adjust brightness level manually by tapping on the screen, and your phone will automatically adjust the brightness level. When you go for the video mode, you can do the same with this brightness, as you can see. And also we can find the other modes. So let me just go. Okay, I just missed one option. When you are in the photo mode, you can also quickly add filters. So we can change color, temperature. Take a look. Okay, I'm going to start with the normal mode. We can also tap right here on the right upper corner where we can find the watermark function. So it's a little bit different than this one that you can find in the settings. Right now when you keep swapping, you can find this kind of the stickers on the photo, so we can take this one, click on the shutter, and photo was taken with this watermark. I miss you text and the date right here. And you can find 15 different stickers. You cannot, oh, sorry guys, I was about to say that you cannot move them, but actually you can. So you can just press hold and you are able to move this sticker wherever you want. So we can, for example, put it right here in the right upper corner, then just take photo. And there it is. So let's click here one more time. And basically that's all from the useful options. I think that's the best features that I can show you. There's nothing more to talk about because these modes are honestly useless. So we just only focus on the photo, video mode and the best features that we can find in the settings. So that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.